Hi guys! How are you? Hope you're all doing well. So today is going to be a little bit of a different video. This is something that I have kind of, since I started watching makeup tutorials and getting deeper and deeper into the beauty world, I swore if I ever had a makeup channel, a YouTube channel, that I would do this. And you know, I've been taking requests from you guys a lot, and I have a bunch of ideas and requests that I have saved. But this one I just wanted to do for me. So this is something that kind of went viral a couple years ago. It's the power of makeup video that like went everywhere. NikkieTutorials like fucking cut half her face down the middle and just like caked one side, left the other bare, and you were like, oh bitch, two different bitches. But yeah, so I have always wanted to do that, and here we are. This is a little scary for me because I'm fresh out of the shower. I'm not wearing any makeup. I just did my skincare and like my skin is prepped and everything. But I'm fucking bare right now, and I love that because I can like, I love having no makeup. I love letting my skin breathe, but I love makeup so much, and I thought that this was like the perfect time to do a video like this because I mentioned in my last video, I applied for the Sephora squad. This video I feel is really important for me to do just because as much as I love my bare skin and I work really, really hard on taking care of my skin, I obviously love makeup, and I just want to show you like the difference, like the power that makeup has. So I feel like this is going to be a really, really fun video. Not going to be a tutorial. It's not going to be like just describing everything in depth. I am just doing this for me and hopefully for your enjoyment. So enjoy the video, guys. Ah, this is scary. My skin is already prepped with my Tatcha Silk Canvas and, where are you? My Milk Makeup Blur Stick. Okay, so to split my face down the middle, so I'm gonna do this side. So anyways, this side is gonna have makeup on it, this side is not. So I'm just gonna use some makeup tape and split my face. This is a look. Ooh, 2019. Hello, bitch. Oh, that's sticky on my lip. Ow! Foundation, Maybelline Superstay. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Make one wrong move and everyone will know. So this is the Too Faced Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. This is so weird. So I am taking some Pretty Vulgar setting powder. Don't put that in. I'm here, bitch, so just enjoy the fucking ride. So I'm using the Kat Von D Precision Signature Brow. And we are gonna contour with our Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. And then we're gonna bronze using Marc Jacobs. This is the Fantastic Omega Bronzer. And so this is the Tarte Party Amazonian 12-Hour Clay Blush. We're just gonna do a simple eye look using the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. And this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. So I'm gonna put on some Ardell Demi Wispies, my faves. Adding some sparkle. Oh my god, I just want to open this fucking lip liner. I'm just putting a little bit of black over top of the lashes to blend them in. I'm gonna take some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara just to blend everything in. This is the NYX Nude Pink Lip Liner. Oh, so many new products I'm trying to do too. I'll do another video soon on new products. This is the NYX Candy Slick Glowy Lip Color. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this over top. This is the Maybelline Baddest Beige. And this is L'Oreal Lip Dew in the shade, I don't know, bitch. It's one of the Camila Cabello ones. Okay, this is crazy. Okay guys, and there you have it. This is the power of makeup. I have lipstick on my teeth. I feel great both ways, but honestly, makeup has changed my life. This is it. This is what makeup can do. So I find that makeup, it's not necessarily something that you need to cover up all your insecurities. That doesn't need to be like, oh, I feel like shit today, so I'm just gonna fucking, I'm ugly, so I have to cover up. No, that's not it. You can use makeup to accentuate the features that you already have. If you have an insecurity, then that's, we all do, that's okay. I'm really insecure about my eyes. I'm really insecure about lots of things, my nose, like whatever, we all have them. So makeup, I find, can just aid in working our insecurities, you know? Like for myself personally, like makeup isn't something that I hide under, it's something that I thrive under. You know, like if I'm having a bad day, I'm gonna put on a red lipstick and I'm gonna feel 10 times better by the end of it, just because that's what makeup can do for me and that's what makeup can do for a lot of people. So just use it if you want, and if you don't want to, then that's awesome too. Let your skin breathe, you know? I am happy both ways. I don't hide under my makeup. I just use it for creativity. I use it as an outlet. It's calming, it's therapeutic for me. Everyone has their thing and makeup is mine, and that is why I'm trying to do what I do and I work so hard. So there you go guys, kind of a different person on either side, but I love both. Thank you so much guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's something I've always wanted to do, so I will link all of my usernames, all my handles, all my codes, all that stuff down below. I will list what I used today as well. Sorry I didn't do like an in-depth tutorial, I just wanted to do it really quick. Be sure to write a testimonial for me to support my Sephora Squad application, because it's competitive and I need all the help I can get. So I would appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. And I got the email probably a week ago now saying that I have over 100 testimonials supporting me, and that's just absolutely incredible. Fulfills me like no other. So thank you so much to anyone who's already written one, and you have no idea how much it means to me just to take a moment of your day and write something. Thank you so much. Life is pretty crazy lately, and I'm so excited to see where it's gonna go. Thank you so much, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and leave me a comment. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure you turn on the notifications so you are notified when I post next. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. This is fun. Oh, I love my life sometimes, you know? Crazy. I love this. I love you.